Congratulations! With a stroke of a pen, Joe Biden canceled the Keystone XL Pipeline and cost 42,000 American jobs. It's actually only 11,000 jobs, and those jobs are just temporary, lasting 4 to 8 months. Once the pipeline is finished, it will only create 35 permanent jobs. What the hell some libtard know about a permanent job? Really? Trump lost more jobs than any other president in history. 4 million of them. And you're whining about this? Hey, now that weren't Trump's fault, okay? Like hell it wasn't. Besides, you want to talk job creation? Converting our energy grid to wind and solar would create hundreds of thousands of jobs, a whole new industry, and it would also save the planet. That's what we call a twofer. The Green New Deal? What, is Biden gonna send us all a pony too? Shut the hell up, son. I'm sick of your excuses. All I can say is,